From smartphones to electric vehicles, secondary batteries are essential components in a wide range of rechargeable electronics. Because of this growing importance, global competition to secure battery technology and production capabilities is intensifying. For a closer look, we have our economic correspondent Moon Ji-young here in studio. Welcome, Ji-young.
Good evening, Tami.
So, Ji-young, you were at one of the largest battery exhibitions here in South Korea. Tell us more about the show.
Yes, Tami, as you mentioned, I visited the K-Battery Show 2025, dedicated to secondary battery materials, components, and equipment. Secondary batteries are utilized across diverse sectors, including electric vehicles, IT devices, and energy storage systems. They are currently experiencing significant growth, emerging as a core technology, driving recent industrial trends such as electrification and decarbonization. The K-Battery show displayed a comprehensive array of innovations, covering essential products like cathodes, anodes, and electrolytes, alongside intricate components and advanced manufacturing equipment. Beyond the latest materials, the exhibition also delved deep into cutting-edge battery charging systems, robust charging infrastructure, and crucial recycling technologies. It was evident that leading the charge in environmental stewardship, Korean battery companies are actively propelling eco-friendly practices towards a sustainable and greener future.
Now, Ji-young, tell us more about the global battery market. How is South Korea doing, and what's the state of competition among countries around the world?
Well, the global battery market is currently experiencing rapid expansion, mainly driven by the accelerating growth of the electric vehicle sector. According to data from S&E Research, the amount of energy held by batteries for EVs registered worldwide grew more than 35% year-over-year from January to July this year. Now, looking at battery market shares, we observe a significant shift in competition. The combined market shares of the three Korean battery companies declined in global EV battery use to 16.7%, a 4.4 percentage point decline from the same period last year. This was influenced by a decrease in battery demand from major OEMs in Europe and North America. On the other hand, Chinese battery makers, including CATL and BYD, continued their impressive growth momentum during the same period. Their growth and that of other Chinese manufacturers is greatly fueled by their price competitiveness and the rapid rise of Chinese-made LFP batteries, which are increasingly being adopted by major global automakers. This strategic shift is allowing Chinese firms to expand their presence not only domestically, but also significantly in markets within Europe.
This shift can be attributed to the rising consumer demand for cost-effective electric vehicles and their corresponding batteries, which has in turn boosted the demand for LFP batteries and consequently led to a decline in our market share.
Well, that certainly highlights the immense pressures on the South Korean battery manufacturers. Now, Ji-young, then what's the outlook for South Korea's battery markets moving forward from here?
Well, the Korean battery industry has indeed faced a complex crisis in recent years, grappling with a stagnant EV market, U.S. trade risks, and aggressive low-cost competition from China. However, fortunately, recent shifts in both domestic and international environments are now providing crucial opportunities for a new leap forward. Speaking about Korea's strengths that differentiate it from competitors like China, one expert said that,
while source technology is crucial, the ability to build factories, produce batteries on a large scale while minimizing defect rates, and consistently meet delivery deadlines. In terms of overall production process capability and technology, I believe we are quite ahead of China.
We've also seen a reduction in trade uncertainties with the enactment of the U.S.'s One Big and Beautiful Act and the successful conclusion of Korea-U.S. reciprocal tariff negotiations. These developments are offering K-Batteries new opportunities to secure dominance not only in the EV market, but also in the ESS market in the U.S. In this context, the Korean government is pushing forward with a battery policy targeting substantial support through tax incentives and financial aid for domestic producers, expanded R&D for next-generation batteries like all solid-state solutions, and increased deployment of ESS solutions. Moving forward, key tasks for the K-battery industry to prosper include continuous technology development alongside achieving supply chain independence.
All right, Ji-young, thank you so much for the coverage on such a promising field. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.